There are several different methods of distributing de-icing material to walkways. Depending on the circumstances and job requirements, you might simply use a bucket and scoop or a hand spreader, or even distribute the salt by hand. You might also use a walk-behind salt spreader or brine sprayer. On larger jobs, you might use a utility vehicle or UTV with a spreader or sprayer either attached, in bed, or towed behind. Different distribution methods come with their own unique considerations. As a general note, be aware that bags of salt can be heavy and slippery. Be careful when you carry them, open them, or pour them into the bucket or hopper of whatever device you're using. Be sure of your footing in icy conditions and fill the hopper on flat ground.